Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to bring the QX60 into the 21st century by replacing all the interior lights to LEDs. I love Aliexpress, as you can tell by my other videos. I just can't seem to stay off that app. And the other day, I found an LED package for the QX60. Usually when you're trying to convert to LEDs, you need to individually find all the bulb sizes, then you have to order them all separately, so it's a chore to say the least. But this comes in a nice package, and supposedly they all should fit. At least that's what they claim, and that got me curious, so I just had to find out. It comes with 16 bulbs, plus this trim tool for $15.28 delivered to my front door, so we're looking at less than $1 per bulb. Yes, they are cheap bulbs, but not all cheap bulbs are the same. For these 194 or T10 size bulbs, there are two kinds. These are the badly designed ones, where the base is plastic, and the bulbs get powered by these tiny metal pins making contact with the circuit board. These pins move around a lot and they eventually become loose and start failing. These, however, are all in one piece and there are no moving parts. So these are the ones you want. Anyways, enough talking and let's open the box. They actually sent me 19 because they sent me spare lights, which is very nice of them. To really test their claim, I'm not going to look up any bulb sizes, I'm just going to read what's on this label, go to that part of the car, and replace it and see if it matches. So let's see how this goes. So for this one, it looks like they gave the two options, and the one in the middle is the same size as the bulb, so I'm going to use the middle one. A quick tip I learned over the years is you can put aluminum tape inside the light housing so it reflects off more light. If you compare the light, you can see the one on the left reflects a lot more light back to the cabin. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but on the right side there is some dim areas, whereas the right side there's none. So subtle difference, but good to know. And another thing I noticed is, see how the one on the right is kind of dim and it kind of flickers, whereas this one doesn't. This is because that middle piece right there is kind of bent backwards, so it's not making good contact with the bulb. So what you need to do is bend that forward so that the bulb makes good contact, like I did here, like that. To replace the license plate bulbs, you need to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips, and then undo this panel right here. You can undo it with a screwdriver, and same on the other side. So after that, if you just pull a little with decent force, it should come out. And once you're inside, I'm facing the back of the car, and that is where it is. So all you need to do is take and twist. Okay, there we go. And there's the bulb. And here are some before and after footages. The LEDs are definitely brighter and they modernized the interior. All the bulbs fit where they were labeled and they included some extra, so I give this product an A+. I will have to see how long these last, so I'll keep you guys updated. Aliexpress surprised me again, and this is exactly why I keep going back. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.